This was one hell of a blizzard last night. And so the cleanup begins on this Saturday morning in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Today being the 4th of March, 2023. This is just unbelievable. And the snow is just like, it just reaches up to my ankle here. Oh my god. Last night was brutal. For anybody that had to go out in these conditions, doesn't matter if you're a TDC operator or first responder or hospital worker, kudos to you. Because I'm sure you had to walk in all of this this crazy stuff, you know. At the same time, though, we might still feel the effects from last night, but this is a winter wonderland. It's so picturesque. Look at that! Everybody just got their snowblowers out here. And we're walking south on Marley Avenue, just a block and a half away from my place. And yes, I'm finally getting a blizzard video for you guys, but no, it's not actually during the peak. I mean, I went out yesterday to the East End. I filmed 3 walking videos. That was, of course, before the blizzard. I chose not to go out that night, knowing how dangerous it was going to be. And I was watching Johnny Strides, The Can Continuum, Lizzo C, and another guy who's actually who's almost passing me for subscribers. Goes by the name of Toronto Tech and Transit. His name is Henry. And this guy went out there for 5 hours last night. Oh my god, I would not do anything like that. Props to you, man. Jeez. And also, we got thunder snow last night. There was about freaking 30 flashes of lightning. I've never experienced anything like that in my life ever. That's just freaking unreal. Thunder snow. And it was clearly visible. When I was watching Johnny, he was actually in my hood. He was walking west on. Hey, there's a squirrel. I haven't seen a squirrel in a while. Oh, I did it again. Yep, it's still having the same exact problems. It's really ticking me off. Anyway, look at that. We got a stuck Orion 7 NJ diesel, 8188. It was probably on the 109 earlier this morning, and then it just got stuck, and now it's just wow. It's just sitting here, and the bus is idle. I am gonna veer off on a couple of side streets eventually. Maybe I'll head. Oh, look at this! Nobody has cleared this park yet. I bet you the dogs outside are enjoying this. Look at this. What the hell? I'm on private property here. Jesus Christ. Let me work my way through this. This is literally fresh fallen snow. I'm doing this. Holy shit. I'm literally just sinking in All because the city decided not to, hasn't cleared this part up yet. My God. Wow. So there's Eglinton Avenue down there. But I don't know if I want to go, I don't know if I want to head west or east or head on onto the side streets and just seeing how beautiful it is with the snow on the trees. I've been like waiting for this morning to just finally get a video. I probably would, if I went on last night in the thunder snow, I would have been like complaining of the cold and getting pelleted by the snowflakes down there. It's freaking crazy, man. And as I just mentioned, it's the beginning of March. We're like, what, 3-4 weeks away until spring? I bet you this probably won't even be the last hurrah of it. Mind you, this is like the biggest we've had this winter season. Look at this, obstructed. Love the streetscape on this though. Okay, let's just gonna cross over here to the other side. Look, now I'm walking in the middle of the damn street. Oh, I better get out of here as fast as I can. This is fun, guys. Let's head on Whitmore Avenue here. Start walking west. By the way, again, this is in the city's York Borough, so we are somewhat in the west end of the city. Maybe I'll just wind my way around. I'm also thinking of doing a second video, maybe this time around Forest Hill. I don't want to venture like too far, and if I use public transit, there's probably a good chance I'm gonna get stranded. I mean, it might be a bit of a fun video to make, but really, I mean, bet you the kids are happy today. Making snow angels, making snowmen. I used to do that when I was in elementary school. I think to me the snow is always like fun to like walk in. And of course, like many other snow videos, I'm gonna have this posted same day. People love the snow videos and they tend to do very well. Also, last night I was at like 13, and then this morning I lost like 3. What the hell is going on? Why? Because you guys don't like my talking, or when I occasionally drop an F-bomb here and there? No. It's either the algorithm or some of you guys are probably offended. Oh my goodness. Look, everybody's out today. It's just maddening. I live in an apartment, by the way, so thank God I don't have to be dealing with this. Clearing the snow off the cars and shoveling it. I bet you at my family's place in Keelsdale, they're probably like, dealing with this because they have a lot of like freaking snow to shovel. Okay, I gotta step over to the side here. Let me grab a couple of pictures with the phone here. Rise and shine, my guys. Let's head this way here. Oh, he stopped. Okay, I think it's better if we just walk on this side here. Yeah, this is what we Canadians have to deal with. Yeah, we're used to it. But again, like props to like Johnny, Ken, Lizzo, Henry for just going out in these dangerous conditions last night. And I chose not to. I really would have liked to. And imagine if I caught the friggin' thunder snow on camera. Oh my god. Seeing that on the stream, it was like so cool. Wow. Well, maybe some of you guys are gonna be like calling the army. I mean, I wasn't around in was it 1998 or 1999? You guys had the blizzard, and the last one, who was the mayor at the time, had to call the army. And but mind you, this storm right here kind of would have been as bad as a 60-centimeter one we had last year. It was just absolutely insane. Okay, next cross street that comes up, I'm gonna head south and head down to maybe Eglinton. I don't know. I don't even know how long I'm gonna be out here because this is just insane. I really want to continue doing this. Okay, I see a cross street up ahead. Please tell me I can get down to Eglinton from here. Okay, let's just get on this side here. Woo! Oh, there we go. The sidewalk is... Nah. I spoke too soon. It's not even cleared up. Okay, what street is this coming up? Oh, there's a snow blowing machine there. Look, the street signs are covered. Ah, there, look, there's Eglinton. Let's go down there. This is beautiful, man. Keep it up, you're doing great. What? Keep it up, you're doing great. Had to give that guy a thumbs up there. Yeah, I don't even know what street this is. But there is Eglinton. Wait, this might be Glenholm Avenue, right? Or is it not? No, this is Times Road. Times Road. Whew. Oh my god. Look at this view. All the way looking west. I'm not going to zoom in so far because, you know, as I just mentioned, this stupid camera has a problem zooming out and just malfunctions, and it requires me to do this in a couple takes. That's alright. And now I'm not heading to Eglinton, no. We're going to keep going here. At least it's not so, like, bloody cold out there. Oh man, but this is like picturesque. Love the scene here. So this is the Fairbank neighborhood. And by the way, if I sound a bit off, I had a cold this week, but I am like 99.9% better. I had a scratchy throat, and then I had like nasal congestion, which was a pain in the ass. And now I have energy again. I got my appetite back, and thank God I'm able to like do this again. I might even get 3 videos in today, kind of like what I did yesterday. I'm just gonna be cranking it up with it. Y'all are gonna be on YouTube. Hey! You guys saw me there. I wasn't sure if he was looking at me or not, but he was. Give me a little smile there. So Dufferin Street is at the end, but I'm gonna veer off on Jimmy Wisdom Way, formerly Loxley Avenue. I finally head down to Eglinton, and then I'll just figure out where to go. Y'all are doing a great job. Look at me, I don't have to be doing this because I don't live in a freaking house. Yeah, pretty much all of southern Ontario is just getting walloped by this. From Windsor to London to Kingston to Ottawa. I think as I'm speaking right now, Montreal and surrounding regions in the province of Quebec, they're getting their fair share. I bet you Alta McFall is going to be out there capturing some of his amazing snow removals, as he often does. I saw he's got like 2 up this month, and I expect a lot more from him. Because you guys are going to be getting the same thing. I wish I caught some of that snow plowing action last night. As I just mentioned, I stayed home. Okay, so I'm on Belgravia Avenue. Didn't even realize that. And there's Eglinton Avenue. We'll head down there. Now maybe I'm thinking, maybe I'm going to head down into the Oakwood Vaughan Humewood district. Take a little walk there. I thought of going into Forest Hill, but I've already done enough videos, snow videos in Forest Hill. Also, I think because I have the camera at a different setting, it's not going out of focus like it has been the whole damn time. Oh my god. And I hope the stabilization is better. I'm really just fiddling around with it. There's no good accessible way to get over to the sidewalk. That's why I gotta walk in the middle of the street. Yeah, look, there's a dog looking out the window of that Toyota RAV4. Livingstone Avenue. Maybe I'll head over to Dufferin in Eglinton, the intersection there. And then maybe we could head down Vaughan Road for a brief period and then take a few side streets. This is going to be a bit of an expedition. Now I got to go back off to the other side here. Oh, this truck is going to haul some ass here. Man, imagine driving a freaking truck in this. Woo! Just giving you guys a thumbs up there. This church's chicken just opened up. And welcome to Little Jamaica. Oh, he's moving out. Oh my god, I could cross over there, but look at this. Look how huge the snowbank is. Nevertheless, it's still nice outside. I mean, it's not cold. It's going to be a little sunny. Let's see how the buses are faring out. Look, I see an Orion 7 OG Hybrid. Sometimes these buses don't do well in the cold, but it's going strong. I think the cold seems to drain out the hybrid battery. Oh, look at this, 1011. Oh my god, you are doing great. Still need to try this place out. If I continued walking west, I'd probably get my family surprise visits in the Silverthorne neighborhood. aka my second home. I haven't been there in over a week because, you know, I've been recovering from my cold. It was resting up. Oh, I see a fire truck up ahead. I would have liked to do another walking video on Eglinton, but I've already just done that this week. I do enough videos on this on the street anyway, so. And we're coming up to Dufferin Street. And at least they're running the standard foot buses and not the friggin' long articulated buses that always get stuck on the damn hill all the time. TTC is doing something good. I think they've always used the standard foot buses in such weather like this. Normally on the 29 and 929 routes, they're always using articulated buses, but they're doing like, sorry, it's all good. But they're doing the right thing. Because these buses always get stuck in the snow. So good, use the Orions. They make good power. I bet you the hill on Baffert Street, Davenport Road going up is much worse. And don't forget, TTC has 41 stops out of service as they're on like hills. And they've also have the Scarborough RT closed because, as you guys already know, they use a very different type of technology, and of course the RT is very notorious for breaking down in such weather. Like, look, there's a freaking Nova bus. What the hell is it doing on the road? Oh my God! You really didn't have to do that, eh? Well, we made it. We made it here to Dufferin and Eglinton. It's a nice looking view. Heading south. There's the fire truck there. All right, I think I'm going to take a little breather here, and just think of where to go next. But I'll take a couple more pictures here and there. But guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Stay safe. Dig out from all this snow. And yeah, more videos to come from today. Anyway, see you guys. And stay safe. Be well.